Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a mountain of notes, struggling to find that one crucial piece of information when you need it most? It can feel like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. The most efficient digital note features 4 organizing text R tagging, bidirectional linking, and powerful search capabilities. These tools transform your notes from a disorganized pile into an interconnected knowledge base, making information retrieval swift and seamless. These features work together to create a dynamic system that goes beyond simple folders. Tagging allows you to categorize information flexibly across multiple contexts without duplicating content. For instance, a note about a historical event can be tagged history, social studies, and exam review simultaneously. Bidirectional linking connects related ideas explicitly, showing not just what a note links to, but also what links back to it. This reveals deeper relationships and helps you trace concepts. Meanwhile, a robust search function cuts through the noise, letting you pinpoint specific keywords or phrases instantly, even within long documents. To effectively use these features, start by consistently applying relevant tags as you create notes, using a combination of broad and specific terms. Whenever you mention a concept or idea that has its own dedicated note, create a bidirectional link to it. Also, learn the advanced search operators of your chosen note-taking application to make the most of its search engine, such as using quotation marks for exact phrases or minus signs to exclude terms. Many advanced users refer to this integrated system as a second brain, a personal knowledge management system that extends your memory and cognitive abilities. Some applications even offer graph view visualizations, which display your notes as a network of connected ideas, making it easier to spot patterns and connections you might otherwise miss. This level of organization supports not just recall but also deeper learning and insight generation. By adopting tagging, bidirectional linking, and mastering search, you are not just organizing your notes. You are building a living, breathing knowledge system. This system allows you to effortlessly navigate your information, make new connections, and understand complex topics with greater clarity, ultimately empowering your learning journey.